It's Monday morning, and I'm making some money right here on YouTube. What's going on, guys? This morning, it's Monday morning. I'm excited. It's a beautiful week. I had a great weekend. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend. Today, taking a trade right off of the trade idea scanner list. It was easy. It was simple. This was the top gainer of the day. 4.7 million shares. And by the open, it had almost like 20 million shares traded. So insane amount of volume pre-market. Going to show you guys this trade and talk about the overall process and really just show you the ins and outs trading this small cap big time runner. It's up over, what was this? It was up it was up almost 200% at one point. So you'll see the trades. You'll see how I made over $500 trading today in the small accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Really quickly, before we get into the live action, do me one big favor. It really does help. It really helps when you guys leave comments, you like the video, and just share some love, Share some love. It's all you got to do. It's all I'm asking for. Please help me help you. SCKT is the hot one this morning on the pre-market scanner and looking to see if this thing wants to make a move up there above $4 a day. Looking like she wants to go here. I'm going to grab a little bit there at the 55s and try to add kind of into this pullback to the VWAP again. And yeah, looking for a squeeze to at least over the 370s from here. I'm going to put an order out here at the 365s to sell 200 shares. Getting filled there. Looking for the rest to get above that 370 now. 300 shares left here. Looking for a push over 370. So there's that pullback I was worried about down there to the 350s again. Just kind of watching to see this price action around here, 350 area. See if we get a little pushback up. Kind of want this kind of setup here where this long wick just squeezes it back up. Show us that the buyers are still in there. So good thing I sold when I did. You can see that previous resistance, 369. I ended up getting out there at 365 just to get out of there as this candle pushed up there to the 69s, but just couldn't push through that resistance, and that's never a good sign, especially on a momentum stock. We want to see this thing squeezing above that recent resistance. So like right here, obviously, this resistance, we want to see that squeeze above it. You can see we found a little bit of support there at the 320 area, popped back above the VWAP, a little bit of indecision, and then tried to retest that. So a push above this would have obviously pushed us probably to a new high at that point. So just kind of sitting back here. It's still early pre-market. I'm going to wait for basically this thing to show me a reason to want to buy. I want to be like sitting here like, ooh, I want to buy. That's my ideal setup, where the setup just looks so good that I have to buy it. So we'll see what happens here. Still got plenty of time. It's only 8:38 in the morning, and we'll see what happens once the real volume comes in here. Right now, looking a little weak here at the 335 area. So just got to kind of sit back and wait to see what happens here at open. Wow, I walked away, went to the bathroom for a minute, and came back. And here is SCKT pushing from that 330 area over that VWAP again. Back up there one more time to the 360 area. Wow, I looked away for another second, and it just squeezed up there to, oh my gosh. So now we're looking for a small pullback here to retest that 370 area here. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pullback. Big buyer pop up there at 375 now. 380s getting touched. Kind of getting denied there for a second. I'm going to jump in here. 72. See if we can't get a push above the 80s now. Getting some more there at 370. Looking for a squeeze up here. Looking for over 75. Let's push over 75 here. I'm going to sell a little bit there at 73. Looking for over 80 here. Selling a little bit there. Still got 300 shares left. Looking for the push over 80 now. And just having some trouble there. Not liking stopping there at 80 twice. So going to jump out of that for looking for a little bit more. It's up $152 now on this ticker. So this would have been a beautiful entry here at the 355 if I wasn't in the bathroom. Good job, Patrick, going to the bathroom. I thought this was going to consolidate for a little bit longer. Up there at 375, looking like she wants to push through 380. I'm going to try it right there for that push above 380 here. Having trouble there. 380 just not wanting to eat it through there. I got 379. Wow, bad fill. Let's see, over 380 right here. There we go. Beautiful. Up there to 385. See if we get a little bit higher. Push up to the 390s on this move. Might add if we can pull back a little bit here. Get a better average. Looking for push back over 380 right here. Push up there above 380 is what I'm looking for. Some selling pressure stacking up right now. 377, so we get through that. It should be over 380 pretty quickly. Every dip is getting bought back up here. This thing wants to get over $4 today. Try to add some more down here. 365, get the add there. Looking for the push back up here. For over 375. I'm going to take a little bit there. Looking for 380 push now. 375, big buyer, step up there, trying to push it. Looking for 375 to squeeze through here. Big seller just popped up there, 376. Trying to hold it down the shorts right now. Like I said, this thing is looking primed and ready for a squeeze. Still trying to push back up here, so we're going to give it a little bit longer. It's 365. Look at that big seller there again. Level 2. Big seller sitting there. Right back up there. There's the squeeze. Come on, over 375. This thing's going. Over 375. It's off to the races, I'm telling you. Off to the races, over 375. Trying to push back up here above 370 again. Having a little bit of trouble there. Looking for 375 to break through here. Big buyer there at 375. I'm just going to sell. I don't like it. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. God, you got to be kidding me right now. Look at this thing. I knew it was going to squeeze. I knew it. I fucking knew it. Damn it. Wow, 82s now. Just got to... All I do is hold on for like 5 more seconds, Patrick. Oh, my. Son of a bitch. Look at that. Look at all that volume coming in there, just squeezing it higher. She's going for the $4 push. It's coming. See if we can get a break over $4 up here. Wow. That's painful. That's a little painful. I'm jumping there at 92. Look for a squeeze up there above $4. Just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was just beautiful. Up $233 now on this ticker, and definitely not crushing it right now. Definitely not crushing it right now. So, wow, this right here. I mean, this is look at that, from the 75s up there to the 4s. That's what we were looking for. That was the move that we were hoping for, looking for, praying for. I don't want to say praying for, but definitely was looking for it. So looking here, over 396. Looking to jump back in for that push above $4 here on this what, over $4. Looking for a push. There we go, up there to the 405s or higher, obviously. We already pushed up there to the 405 once, so looking for a little bit more, over $4 here. Still got about 20 minutes here till the market opens, so we'll see what happens going into open once the real volume comes in here. Or I guess we've got 18 million shares traded today so far. Need to get a little bounce back up here. Show some strength at the 70s here. Got 12 minutes till the market opens. My final stop on this is going to be right below the VWAP there. $370 buyer, trying to hold it up there. There we go, back up above 85 now. To the 91s. Looking to sell some there. Still got 900 shares left. Looking to sell the rest above $4. Having a little bit of trouble slowing down there, so let's see if I want to see what happens here. Let's just look. Let's see. It's slowing down. Slowing down. Is it going to squeeze through there? Is it going to squeeze through there? Is it going to squeeze through there? Oh! Oh! There we go. All right, now she's going to go. Still up $337 so far today on this ticker. So the market hasn't even opened yet. So we're going to just kind of play it safe here. Looking to play it safe here. We'll give it another 9 minutes. Wait till the market opens. Baby's been riding a beautiful trend basically since that last move, as you can see here. Look at this. Just kind of riding this trend right there. Let's see if you can actually connect it all the way kind of like down to here. We'll see what this. If this is going to pull back 375 here one more time before going into open. So look about 5 minutes here till the market opens. Getting ready to get about 1 minute here till the market opens now. Minute 30. Kind of just watching to see if we get a breakout over, I'd say 390 now is what I'm watching. As we kind of got this trend here, this triangle there, pointing at 390. Gonna give it a second, see what happens. VWAP holding up there at 365 right now, trying to squeeze back up there. Could turn into a huge dump here. Below VWAP could get really dumpy, really quickie. Really quickie, really dumpy. Just trying to hold that VWAP there. I'm going to jump there 81, look for a squeeze up here. Above the 90s, push up to the 4s. As long as we stay above the VWAP, I'm good to go here. Might get dumped on this, actually. I'm going to jump out of it there, not liking it. I'll jump back in if it pops back above 380 again. Jumping in there, 78. Looking to add for the push above $4. If we might just get a push right above 4 here. Add a little bit more there. Looking for a push over 4. And there we go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Ah! Wow, look at this. 540, 500. I would have been 600 if I wasn't. I should have just held that. That thing bounced right there off the VWAP like a champ. Like a champ. Getting filled there at 378 and 388 is selling the high on this candle. The high of this candle is 414. I got filled there at 411. 412. Not so bad. Not so bad. So, beautiful little move here. I think I'm going to actually be done for the day. I'm totally fine making $500. If I make $500 every day, that's all we need to do. So you can see commissions and fees are going to kill me on this because I've been kind of over trading it. So commissions and fees are going to kill me, but I'm still up $368 after the commissions and fees. So it is what it is. I'm just going to look at this thing. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know if it's been a while since I've traded small caps or what, but this thing looks crazy right now. Look at this. Hold on, even look at the level 2 and everything. Just going mad. Going straight up mad. Mad dogging. I'm staying away from it. I'm going to log out. I'm walking away. I'm going to go have some fun. It's Monday morning. I'm going to start the week off strong here. Nice little green day. Get the padding in the wallet. Get ready for the rest of the week. Look for maybe some future trades here. Kind of watching the SPY right now. We'll see what happens. Oh, look at that drop. That's why I didn't want to keep playing with this thing, because it was looking real poppy and droppy at this point. So look at that thing. Wow. Really, if this thing was strong, if it had the momentum, this should have just squeezed like 420, 430, 450 and really just kept pushing through any type of resistance there. You can see the seller stacking up there, 415, trying to hold it down, 415 the high, 414, 415, 3 times getting touched there. So seller stacking up there hard. Look at this dump. Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump. All right, so if you guys have already, do one favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.